This is a TheTrapMan folding cat trap. It's approximately 30 inches long by 10 inches wide by about 2 inches when it's folded up, or 11 inches tall when it's built up. Now, once it springs up, pull back on the rear panel, it's a direct fit, like that. Right? The front panel, you have to make sure that the door's out of the way. Pull the reinforcing bar to the front of the cage. Do one side at a time to go past the collision. That's it. Now reach inside and lift up the setting lever. Lift the setting lever to the top of the cage, push it through the cage, and then back down so it hooks around the marked bar in the roof of the cage. Push back on the door, bring the setting lever forward. This should hold the door open. If it keeps sliding off, you need to just tweak the end of the setting bar up with a pair of pliers. Not too much, because it needs to be a fine set. Right. Baiting is simple. Get some dry cat food. Place a roll of cat food inside the cage, one outside or two outside, and then a handful of cat food underneath the cage, directly under the treadle at the back. So underneath the cage, underneath the treadle. Sit the cage back down on top of it. Cat walks into the cage, steps on the treadle, door shuts and locks. Now to get the cat out of the cage, press down with a piece of wood supplied with the cage, and press down on the locking bar at the back of the cage door. Press down on that, it unlocks the cage door. Push the cage door to the top, extract the cat. Go through that again. Hold your cage door to the top of the cage, bring your setting lever forward. So it's forward and then it latches underneath the cage. Hold the cage door up. Cat walks in, tries to get to the bait. Folding up is a bit more difficult. Make sure you unhook the setting lever from the cage before you start to pull the cat trap up. Push down on that with your finger if there's no cat in it, obviously. Press down on the reinforcing bar on one side. Lift the reinforcing bar up to the top. Hold it up with your finger. Do the same at the other side. Now this is more difficult because the treadle sometimes sticks up. So you need to push your finger through, or push the bar and push your finger through. Press down on the treadle so you can get the back door up. Back door lifts up like that. The whole cage folds down. Mind your fingers when you fold it up. That's it, it folds back up.